Chances are, if you're watching this video, you probably are wondering how to make that guy like you. Well, you've come to the right person because I have all the greatest tips. It's actually way easier than you think. And after you finish watching this video, you'll be able to get guys like it's nothing. So here is...
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Step number 1, we got don't hide your flaws. You gotta be straight up with the guy. You gotta tell him the good and bad about yourself. He'll appreciate the honesty later, I promise. So tell me about yourself. Okay, so I work 2 jobs. Okay. I'm a Satanist. Gotta praise the devil, you know. I don't really brush my teeth really. I never really felt the need to. Yeah, so there's that. I'm really jealous. I get jealous really easily. I'm super clingy. I like pineapples on my pizza. I vape. And yeah, my name is actually BJ. What's up? Now that you're one step closer to his heart, step number 2 is to actually give him a little bit of space. Give him a little bit of privacy, but show that you care. Trust me, guys love when girls show them how much they care. So this is gonna go a long way. Man, why is... Shaniqua? What are you doing in my backyard? Well, I decided I was gonna give you a little bit of privacy. Privacy? You're creepy. Thank you. This is where you asked me to marry you.
Nope.
No. Hey.
What the fuck?
What? I said to give him a little bit of privacy. Now that you basically got his heart in your hands, I mean, you can taste it pretty much. Well, that's kind of odd. After those 2 steps, you have his heart basically right there. He's ready to love you, but it's just this 3rd step. Make physical contact. This is the most important step. Touch him while y'all are talking. He will appreciate the contact and it'll draw him closer to you. Then I was like, nah, I don't think that's it. Oh my God, you're so funny. The oh my goodness! My arm! If you follow these steps just the way I showed you, exactly how I showed you to do it, that guy should come knocking in no time. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna be uploading 2 to 3 times every week. So stay tuned for that, turn on notifications, and yeah, until next time, I'll see you.